Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari Reaction for another reaction video with me today. How you guys doing? So guys, I'll be doing another reaction video to the group CNCO, and I believe this is from 2017, so which is 2 years after the group was found and created in 2015 when I won that La Banda talent competition. So this is Reggaetón Lento performing live. So let me see. This is when they was so much younger. Oh my god, I can have the Oh, that building is lit. Yeah. That building is, I love that energy. I love the crowd's energy. Oh, I love that hair, Richard. Come on, white boy Chris. Oh, they must be really loud. You could barely hear their mic feed. Oh my gosh, they were so younger back then. Oh my god, look at them. If I was, yeah. Oh, I can't look at them. They're so young. Come on, Joel fam. One and all. Love it, yo, CNCO. The crowd is lit. That was a very good ending. That was CNCO performing their song live. Reggaetón Lento 2017 Mucho Gusto. I love it. You can see look at it, it's looking so looking back to that 2016, 2 years after the group was found and created by winning that talent competition show La Banda, to see them now, looking back then to now, it's like wow. Performance then and the performance now. CNCO, love it. Thanks to one who recommended me to react to these videos. I really do appreciate it. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link in the comment section to get to it as soon as possible. As always, look at you decide to. I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.